Hey everybody, it's Brad.
And I'm Christa.
With the Big Family Homestead, and today we are sharing a family heirloom with you.
An heirloom?
It is.
It is.
It's our Chex Mix, and it's the best you'll ever have, so you're welcome already.
Yes, we're going to show you how we make our Chex Mix. It is not the same recipe that you find online. It's been altered over the years.
Yeah. There's tons and tons of scratch outs and modifications and additions, but I do believe that you should always trust a fat cook when it comes to goodies, and I am a fat cook, and I got the goodies. So let's start by showing you what the ingredients are.
Okay, now for ingredients, it's just basic stuff. You got 2 teaspoons of garlic. You got 6 tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. And we have, this was what was left in the fridge. We got some more just in case we needed some more. And then we have, heck yeah, the waffle pretzels. These are awesome.
How many cups of that, baby?
We need 3 cups of these, so it's gonna take a good part of that bag.
Don't forget down here.
Oh yeah, you're gonna need a whole pound of butter. I know, a whole pound of butter, but trust me, it makes a lot of Chex Mix.
Yeah, it's not a small amount.
It's not a small amount, it makes a lot.
All right, baby, what else we got?
All right, we need 1.5 of these containers. We need a total of 22 ounces. So we're gonna use 1.5 of these containers.
Of mixed roasted nuts.
Yeah, lightly salted because there's plenty of salt in the Worcestershire sauce. We need 4 cups of Cheerios, 4 cups of corn Chex, and 4 cups of rice Chex. And yes, we bought the Walmart brand because it's cheaper.
And it tastes just as good.
Oh yeah, and I forgot, you need just a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, first things first, we're gonna get our sauce mixture going. So I've got our 4 tablespoons, 4 sticks.
4 sticks.
4 sticks, a whole pound of butter.
Don't worry about it.
There.
It's a holiday, so calories don't count.
Right, that's, Sure, okay. Can't open the garlic. So it does call for 2 teaspoons. This holds 3 teaspoons, so I'm not gonna fill that up all the way. I don't measure very well anyway.
There we go.
And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
You like the pink stuff.
I like the pink salt, the Himalayan salt. And then we need our...
Which is your sister's sauce.
Which is your sister's sauce.
You can do it, baby, I believe in you.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and put 6 whole tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
I know, I say it wrong on purpose. 1.
Uno. 1, 2, 3, 4,
2,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
3.
12. Oh, we need more. Good thing we got.
That's why we bought more. Oh, okay. Dump that in.
How many more we need?
2.
I thought you did that.
1.5.
Aha.
1,
2.
2.
Now,
1.5.
what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put this on low. You don't wanna cook it, you just wanna melt everything down. So go ahead and put that on low, get it melty, and then we'll combine all the other goodies.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and throw in the rest of our ingredients while that's getting all melty and whatnot.
Oh, the goo is becoming delicious.
All right, so my hand holds about a cup, so I'm gonna go ahead and just...
2.
I never measure.
3. You ready?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah. I know. That's not a lot. It seems like a lot. And then 4 cups of the Chex Mix. The corn and the rice. Is that 3?
Yeah, sure. We'll call it 3. There you go. There you go. That's how we roll baby cakes.
Like I said, we just don't measure.
1, 2. Keep them going. Your cup runs over.
I know. 4.
Keep going. Keep going. There we go.
5. 4.
That's about it.
Okay, now a note about the Cheerios. Make sure they are plain Cheerios, not honey nut, not apple cinnamon, not chocolate, not peanut butter chocolate. We saw so many different flavors of Cheerios today.
It was terrifying.
It was quite terrifying.
My inner chubby guy was so angry.
Plain Cheerios. I know it's gross, but you know what? You can always mix them with the honey nut Cheerios.
Don't worry about it.
Later.
Gotta be plain. 1, 3, and nuts.
All right. Yes, you are.
Nuts.
All right, 1.5 of these. Yeah, that's what I thought too.
You're nuts, baby. You're nuts.
Married you, didn't I?
Well, it's your fault.
That is true.
All right. Okay, now our mixture is all melty and yummy and buttery and eat. So,
Are you eat?
I'm not yet. No, I can't do that yet. But I'm going to share with you one of the secrets. This is the secret that makes average Chex Mix awesome. Because my mom would... What are you doing?
Nothing?
My mom was a drizzler. She'd put the stuff all out on the trays and she'd drizzle it back and forth like that. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Pour and stir and pour and stir. And the reason why is because every little piece is gonna get goo on it.
Stop stirring.
You won't have a vacancy, a goo vacancy.
No, you will have every piece coated with this buttery deliciousness. Okay, now that our mixture is complete, it's all coated and with yummy buttery goodness, you need 4 regular size cookie sheets, not the big ones, not the little ones. You need 4 regular size ones, the jelly roll pans. And we're gonna spread this out evenly amongst those 4 pans. You don't have to spray them, you don't have to line them, just put it right on there. There's enough oil in here.
Well, the trick, sorry baby, go ahead.
No, it's fine.
Part of the trick is don't clump it all too high. You know what she's doing? Watch your finger.
Now I'm just gonna use my hands because God gave you these first. It's easy, they're clean, it's not a big deal. And we're going to spread these out pretty even. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these in the oven for a whole hour. However, every 15 minutes you're going to take them out, stir them up so that all of that stuff gets just mixed around and the crunchy parts are getting crunchy and not soggy, and rotate them in the oven. So if they start out on the top, put it on the bottom, switch them around, you know, side to side, all that jazz. That way there's evenly heat. But every 15 minutes for a whole hour.
Time's up.
Yep.
Here we go. Feast your eyeballs. Now, this goes against every fiber in my being, but you have to do it. And that is, you gotta wait to let this stuff cool down.
Yes.
Not only would you burn yourself, but there's something happens. The mojo happens as it cools.
Well, while it's hot, it's not crunchy, not crispy. When it cools down, it gets nice and crunchy and crispy, and it is delightful.
Check this out. Would you take a look at this?
Yummy!
Whoa, a little too close.
Sorry.
There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Well done, Mama.
Thank you. This is an easy, delightful holiday recipe that makes the house just smell delightful. I wish you guys were here because this is ridiculous. It just reminds us of home.
Yeah, you know, I think that we are really misprioritizing things. If, you know, we can put a man on the moon, but we don't have smell-o-vision.
No, it's
I want
sad.
smell-o-vision.
Right. Okay.
So anyway, that's
Create
it.
that.
I'm Brad.
I'm Krista.
You guys have an amazing day.